How to select the default app TikTok saves music to. Start out on your profile page. Once you're here, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Content and Display section and tap on Music. You'll see there's only one option here, which is Save to Music app, so go ahead and tap on that. Now I'm on an iPhone, so my 2 options are Apple Music and Spotify, but depending on the device you're using, your options may look different. Now I've got nothing against Apple Music, but my preferred app is definitely Spotify, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. Now you can see that you'll need to authorize Spotify to share some information with TikTok that will allow this thing to work. Just go ahead and tap on the agree button, and that's pretty much it. Before you go, check this out.